Turn clasps with rhinestones into magical pendants. Are those symbols? Contain the fire element inside a pendant. Take a beautiful accessory chain. Each medallion contains an element. Good Witch is preparing a gift for the baby's birthday. Birdies, hello, come here. I need to prepare something special. Let's try mixing the elements according to the ancient recipe. Thanks, winged assistant. We just need to add a secret ingredient. Magic powers! There are 4 different pendants that have a magic power. Babies are gonna have a great future with them. Who's there? Baby, come here. She picked blue paint. Blue-eyed girl knows everything about water. It's her element. Earth is her element. Fiery baby came out of the bag with charcoals. And a gust of wind blew the feathers. It's air! Each girl has unique powers. Mom was playing with babies. Did I imagine it? It's like there was a wind. Ooh. Hello, babies. This is your fairy godmother. I have a couple of gifts. A tray? Thanks, but it's rather strange. Remember, each one gives an element power to its owner. As soon as adults leave, kids started getting to know their new talents. Earth helped the flowers to open. Air flew to the top shelf. Fire and water also found something they like. Time passed, and after a couple of years, babies grew to become beautiful embodiments of their elements. Hello? A butterfly brought tulle for the skirt. This dress looks perfect. Flowers decorate the girl's look.
Oh.
Decorate a foam paper headband with roses. Charming Earth element is ready to help people. Earth came to see her favorite grandma. You can have lots of fun in the village. How are you doing? Oh, not very good. This year the seeds didn't grow. Oh, I know what to do. The granddaughter decided to use her superpowers.
Wow!
Honey, that's a miracle. I have enough food for everyone. Measure the details for a greenhouse. Put together frames and walls to make a small room. Cover the windows with clear plastic from a folder. Print an image of bricks fills the floor. Secure the doors to the loops. Covered with moss, vine, and flowers. Make the shelves for plants. All the greenery is full of life. Earth Element's favorite hobby is spending time in the greenhouse. Taking care of plants and growing them. What can be better? The girls started working.
Hello, can I see you? It's so great here. Let me organize a tour for kids.
Of course! Kids started learning about planes.
Aww.
I'm sorry, they could be a lot to handle sometimes. Kids, follow me.
Excellent.
Take this beautiful flower, a Venus flytrap.
Thanks! How nice! Wow, I've never seen something like this. Fire element put on an orange bodysuit. Turn organza into a skirt with flames. Complete the outfit with a belt. And a couple of fires with glittery sides decorate the cut. Here are shoes to match. Fiery tiara. It's so original. Air and water are spending time together. Look at my doll. Cool. Can I play with it? Sometime later. Now!
Hey.
I said don't.
Girls had a fight. Everything got covered with snow and ice. I'll have to use the power of my amulet. It's all because of a doll.
Uh-huh.
Take it. It's so beautiful. I just need to clean up. It'll only take a second. Warmth melted the ice in the room and between sisters. We promise not to fight again. A plastic bottle is turning into a grill. Foam paper details will serve as sides. It's black and matte. We'll need a grate for a grill. Decorate the grill with vintage inserts. Skewers will become legs. Everything is ready for a picnic. The girls are having fun enjoying the good weather. Family of 4 elements decide to have a huge party. Catch the rhythm from Firebomb. I love singing along to my sister. And Air supported the girls by doing the bubble show. Mom and Dad love this improvised concert.
I'd love to grab a snack after the concert like this. How about some grilled hot dogs?
Earth came for lunch. The girl brought 2 cute beavers. Oh, they saw logs and dragged them to the forest. You can't start a fire without wood. Let's help Dad. Created a flame. The family's gonna be happy. Separate thin textured styrofoam on details. Put together a frame for a water machine. Cover the sides with metallized cardboard. And part of the pen will serve as a dispenser. Find a perfect soda. Today was a really hot day, but it's getting too hot even for fire. Would you like me to give you a fresh breeze? That would be great.
Uh-huh.
That's some power. I need to come up with something else. Water has an idea. Yeah, a soda machine. Great! Now the girls can cool down and enjoy a beautiful warm day. Cut out a foam paper fire. Attach sides to the makeup bag. A mini glue, Q-tips, and a flash tattoo. Fiery makeup bag sparkles with glitter. Decided to organize a solo concert. Everyone's invited. There is a small surprise waiting for them at the entrance. The girl is doing body art for the guests. Give me your hand. Cool! The girls are taking turns choosing flash tattoos.
Thank you.
Who else needs a tattoo?
Hey!
I want more than one. Easy.
Yay! Shoo!
The guys are having fun and dancing to Fire's music.
Wow, there are so many old Kinder toys. Which one should we choose? Snow White, come here. You're gonna turn into one of the 4 elements. Cover her outfit in acrylic paint. Let's take some more colors. Green blouse and pants. Hair to match, and even boots. Make a light skirt out of leaves. The earth element is very connected to nature. Grass with flowers turns into a belt. And a wreath of flower buds will decorate her hair. Flora protects the forest. She starts every morning with a smile. Washing your face with dewdrops is healthy for your skin. Why is no one calling? I don't want to just sit here all day. Hello, Flora. Let's play together. I'd love to. A bunch of animals ran out to see her. They're all so happy. Flora, want to play tag? You start. And everyone ran away. Tiger, look out! Tag, now you chase me. Flora knows how to have fun.
Yay!
A new element is starting to transform. Pink hair turns fiery red. Add gold and glitter. The makeup artist applied some bright makeup.
Woo!
The corset is all sparkly. Her skirt is flowing down to the floor. Cover the outfit with holographic flames. Fire is very bright. Be careful. The citizens of the Magic Land went to the Fire Kingdom. So powerful Shine could teach them how to start a fire without magic. Oh, mighty one, give us a flame. I'll be happy to help you. I'll give you all my knowledge. Watch, it's easy. Use flint and skewers to get a flame. And the fire started burning. It's a miracle, yay! Now Shine's element will always be with the citizens of Magic Kingdom. We have some modeling clay. Shape a dragon head, and here are the rest of the details. Swish the fire wand, and the cute creature is ready. Strong wings lift you up to the sky. Curled horns and pointy ears are here too. Gold flames cover the body. Add a print that looks like dragon scales. This tiny fiery creature is letting out steam. Dragons have been living in the land of fire for a long time. During this time, they managed to make friends with Shine. How are you doing, my fiery babies? Oh, I see new faces. Are you new? Shine and the dragon immediately became friends. They decided to go on a trip around the island together. They noticed a new area through fluffy clouds. Let's land here. This space is covered in ice, but it started melting from the heat. Flowers and plants started growing through ice. The ice can't stop us.
Yay!
The locals have never seen spring. The little monsters were also happy. Shine and the dragon did a good thing. Apply acrylic paint to a metal base. It will look brighter in green. The bars are blooming. Put together coffee stirrers to make a steady seat. Hang it on cords. Swings are a big hit in the magic world. A forest dweller decided to talk to Flora. We want to thank you by building you a swing set. Let the construction begin. It'll make everyone happy. Every animal agreed to help. We're done. Take a look. Great job.
Wow.
They invited Flora to try it, but she decided to let the animals play first. They had lots of fun. And soon Flora jumped on a swing. Yay! A princess is turning into a new element. Let's accentuate her blue dress. Blue glittery strands look like waves. Put new boots on. The whole skirt is made out of drops. The nail polish is covered in glitter. All living creatures need water. That's why Aquaria is always welcome. Aquaria decided to make breakfast, but she can't start a fire. Who is it? Perfect timing, Shine.
Hi.
Sister, help me out. My flower is wilting, and I'll do the cooking. No problem. You came to the right place. And Aquaria gave some water to the flower. Shine fried some eggs.
Yay!
We complete each other so well. That's right. Cover a piece of styrofoam with satin fabric. Add a blanket, a couple of pillows, and a sleeping mask. Oh, I wish I could lie down and sleep in this comfy bed. In the deepest underwater canyons, surrounded by mountains and corals, is Aquaria's bedroom. Each evening, Aquaria goes back to her bed. Sweet dreams, baby. The world of dreams brought Aquaria to the land of snow. And Arctic cold almost froze her water. It's so weird. It's like I'm at home, but everything is frozen. Elephant, you're here too? Aren't you cold? Her dream adventure was interrupted by a killer whale. Get up, Aquaria. It's already morning. Oh, I slept in. What a wonderful dream. I've never had a dream like this. Make the base for a coat hanger out of a pile of branches. Secure the supports. Moss covers the stand. And skirts made out of flower buds will be hanging on them. Flora decided to dress up for a tea party. Let's see. Oops, just one skirt? This is not enough. We'll have to find new flowers. So she flew to the next meadow. There were open flower buds there. They are so beautiful. I love the purple one. Can you give me some flower petals? Flora took them and went to change. That's much better. So amazing. We just need to collect berries for cups. Flora's sister Water came to the tea party.
Hello.
How are things on Earth, sister? Bird, will you get some dew for us? The assistant took the teapot and rushed to collect some drops. The tea party is going great.
Yay!
The air element flew into the sky. She's been able to fly since she was a kid. Pearly boots with wings can take you anywhere you want. Let's add some gradient to a dress, too. Her skirt with feathers is covered in sparkly butterflies. Flea is an embodiment of lightness.
Woo!
The air element Flea is relaxing in the air kingdom. A family of birds came to see her. This baby bird can't learn how to fly. The forest animals sent us to you, so you can use your power to inspire this baby to fly. Flea agreed to help. Let's try to fly up together. You'll feel the power of the air. The baby bird loved this process so much that after a few attempts, she finally flew up. Then the happy birds all flew home together.
Bye.
Take cords, toothpicks, and a glass. Let's see how this goes. Pour everything inside, shake it, and voila! We made a basket. Cover the edge with a cord. A frame for a balloon is ready. Look, it's shrinking. It's the perfect size for the dolls. The balloon is tightly secured and decorated with ribbons and pom-poms. It's about to go into the sky. Fire and air are neighbors. Shine lives in a volcanic area and is looking at her neighbor's kingdom. Would you like to look at the island from a bird's eye view? I'd love to, but the air puts out my flames. Her sister found a solution. Air made a balloon. We'll be able to see everything.
Ooh.
And in order for the balloon to fly up, we'll need your flame. The girls started flying. Shine loves what she sees.
Wow.
After looking at the island from the top, they landed and saw their sister Earth. Fire and air told them about the journey they went on. Thanks to their elements working with each other, we are stronger together. Turn an anti-stress toy inside out. Rubber straws become thick sides. There are 2 arches with compartments on top and a sparkly gold tulle net. Add bead legs. Butterflies covered the trampoline. Each bounce is like a small flight. There is a fair in the magical city. All the elements came to the event. Earth and water came on foot, and fire and air came by a hot air balloon. Hey, should we have some fun? The trampoline is like flying. Her friends tried the new toy too. Wow, it's so fun to jump on. There was a long line near the trampoline. Elements and citizens had lots of fun, thanks to Flea.
Yay!
A little girl is swimming. Let's bathe her in glitter. Add a sparkly diaper. Undo the ribbon to make threads. Wow, her hair is so long. Baby Jaya can control all the elements. A baby was frozen in here. She's the embodiment of the water element. Her favorite ducklings are with her. The girl could swim ever since she was born. All the oceans listen to Jaya. Fold a sheet in half. Repeat after us. Fold. Some patience. A ship appeared in her hands. A whole navy is going for a sail.
Hello.
Jaya wants to play with her ship. She put it in a river.
Oopsie.
The baby's laugh could be heard for miles. The baby got a little older. Cute hair with a pointy leaf.
Ooh.
Yeah, leaves are falling. Now they're on her clothes. Jaya is learning the earth element. She can control plants. A paper ship was floating down the river. Jaya! Ah, what a beautiful smell! Her touch will bring new life. Colorful butterflies came when they smelled the flowers. Now the trees. The bird found a new home. Jaya created a comfy place in the middle of a magical forest.
Good job.
Clear plastic separated into pieces. Make a greenhouse out of the details. It is fertile. Add colorful stones. Decorate the greenhouse with vines. A beautiful enclosure. The weather is getting worse. The baby can't control the air yet. Animals, follow me. Everyone can hide from the bad weather. Jaya was reading books to her friends and listening to the sounds of thunder.
Hi.
Jaya became a teen. It's so sparkly. Fluffy clouds turned into hair. Her tulle skirt is very light. Jaya is so sweet. The air is her new element. It's time to see what's happening on Earth. Interesting. Jaya sat on top of a tree in a skate park.
Let's go.
I wish I could do that. It's easy. Repeat after me.
Okay.
I'm skating.
Hi.
I can support you with air currents.
Yeah.
Wow, nice slide. It worked. Jaya decided to ride her new friend around the clouds. Empty a flower pot. Sprinkle with glitter. Choose a balloon. There's paper on top. Leave a paper mache to dry. Decorate with sequined ribbons. A hot air balloon will lift everyone in the sky. It's Jaya's birthday. Friends brought her gifts. This is for you. Congratulations. Thanks. Please come to the table.
So delicious.
Now it's my turn to give gifts. Surprise! Wow, it's a real hot air balloon.
Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. Wow.
They had fun exploring the sky. It's time to go down. What do you think? It was unbelievable. Jaya became a beautiful young woman. LaLiLu is creating templates. We made 3 pieces. Sew the details. Complete the dress with a fluffy hem. Decorate with metal and accessory chains. Fiery sleeves cover the arms. Now she can conquer the flame.
Hello.
DJ is playing an upbeat set. Everyone is dancing and having fun. She came inside the hall. Jaya, you can't look away from her. Let's get this party started.
Hello?
Oh.
Can I invite you for a dance?
Oh my.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Give me your hand. Ouch! Oops. Sorry, I just got the power of fire. My hand! Sorry, I'm gonna be back. Don't leave.
Okay. Huh?
Put a plastic toy apart. Take off the red hood. Cut a shield out of plastic. Take a couple of heat-resistant gloves. Put the frame together. Safety first. Fire is no joke.
Oh.
That's right. Here's what I need.
Let's go.
I'm running back before she leaves. I ruined everything. Hello, I came back.
Wow.
Perfect.
You're smart. This helmet looks good on me, right? It's like they're alone.
Oh my.
Jaya had kids. Each baby has a blanket that matches their element. There are element signs in the center. The babies are going to be raised with love and care.
After a couple of years, the couple had kids. Congratulations on starting a family. Here are your daughters. Ah, 4!
Oh, hello.
Young man, I understand you. You're overwhelmed. George, are you okay? Yeah, I'm all right. Dad understood. The more kids, the happier the home is. Let's wish the elemental family happiness.
Apply acrylic paint to a metal base. The bars are blooming. Hang it on cords. Swings are a big hit in the magic world.
Hello?
We want to thank you by building you a swing set. Let the construction begin. We're done. Take a look.
Wow.
Great job! They invited Flora to try it, but she decided to let the animals play first. They had lots of fun. And soon Flora jumped on a swing.